Using our 19mm socket, let's go ahead and remove our lug nuts. Let's grab our wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now our link end here is clearly broken off. The stud and everything is still in place here, and our nut is rusted in place. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some heat to the nut here. I'm gonna try and warm this up, and then we'll go ahead and remove that nut and bolt. Using an 18mm socket and extension on the front side and an 18mm wrench on the other. Let's go ahead and loosen that nut. I just need to go ahead and remove the rest of this old bushing and get that sleeve off of there. I'm trying to work that off of the bolt. Using an 18mm wrench on the nut side and an 18mm swivel with our impact on the bolt side. Let's go ahead and remove this. Now with that bolt out, go ahead and remove our old link. I'm going to go ahead and put our lower link in and feed our bolt in from the back side. I'm going to apply a bit of anti-seize compound to the threads, and we'll go ahead and install the nut. Get this started a few threads. Let's go ahead and line that up. And we'll go to line up our upper link with the sway bar. The holes aren't lining up. So we're just going to use a pry bar between the bar itself and the frame, and we're just going to give this a gentle tug down. That should help us line that up. And just work our bolt in like that. Going to put a little dab of anti-seize compound on those threads. Go ahead and get the nut started. Now let's go ahead and tighten these down. Let's go ahead and torque down these nuts to 40 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and install our wheel. Get our lug nuts installed. I'm going to go ahead and get all these started by hand, and then we're going to go ahead and zip them on down. Let's go ahead and torque our wheels down to 100 foot-pounds.